Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to take a full page screenshot in Brave browser. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it's loaded up, navigate to the website you want to capture. For this example, I'll use google.com, but this method works for any web page you need to screenshot. Just type the URL in the address bar and let the page load completely before moving on to the next step. Now, here's where we access the built-in screenshot tool that most people don't know exists in Brave. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus I on your keyboard. This keyboard shortcut opens the Developer Tools panel, which will appear either at the bottom or on the right side of your browser window. Don't worry if it looks technical, we're just using one specific feature from here. The Developer Tools panel contains various options for inspecting web page elements, but we only need to access the command menu for our screenshot. Next, with the Developer Tools panel still open, press Ctrl plus Shift plus P on your keyboard. This opens the command menu inside Developer Tools. You'll see a search field appear at the top of the panel. This command menu is essentially a quick access tool that lets you search through all available developer commands without having to navigate through multiple menus manually. In the search field that appears, type the word screenshot. As you start typing, you'll notice a drop-down list begins to filter and show you various screenshot-related options. This search function makes it incredibly easy to find exactly what you need without hunting through endless menus. From the drop-down list that appears, look for and select the option that says Capture Full-Size Screenshot. This is the key option that captures the entire web page from top to bottom, not just what's visible on your screen. Click on this option to proceed. Once you select that option, Brave automatically captures the full page screenshot and downloads it to your Downloads folder as a PNG file. You'll typically see a notification in the bottom left corner of your browser indicating the download has started. Give it a moment to process, especially if you're capturing a particularly long web page. After the screenshot downloads, a Save dialog box will appear on your screen. Here, you can select the folder where you want to save the file. Browse through your computer's folders and choose the location that makes the most sense for organizing this screenshot. If you want to rename the file from its default name, you can do that in the file name field before saving. Once you've selected your preferred folder and renamed the file if needed, click the Save button to finalize everything. And that's it, you've successfully captured a full page screenshot in Brave browser using the built-in Developer Tools feature. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.